To inspect a proximity firefighting helmet, place the helmet on a clean surface in a well-lighted room. Remove the overcover and shroud components and inspect the helmet using the same techniques and process as you would a structural helmet. When inspecting the face shield of a proximity helmet, look for scratches, peeling, heat damage, and worn spots. These can cause a loss of face shield reflectivity. If you discover any of these types of damage, document it on the inspection form. Do not return the helmet to service until the face shield has been replaced. It cannot be repaired. Inspect your helmet's overcover and shroud components. Engage and disengage all attachments to make sure they work properly. Examine the Velcro for worn, abraded, or melted pieces. Test the elasticity at the brim of the cover. Make sure it's sufficient to hold the cover in place. Mark any attachment damage or wear on your inspection form. Closely examine the entire length of each seam on the cover and shroud. Look for missing or broken stitches. If you see either, note it on the inspection form. Include the specific location of the missing or broken stitch. Check each seam's integrity. Grasp material on both sides of the seam and pull in opposite directions. Work your way down the seam, testing the entire length. If you observe any looseness, note its location on the inspection form. Do not return the cover or shroud to service until the seam has been repaired. Inspect the aluminized fabric of the cover and shroud. Look for delamination, discoloration, thin spots, holes, tears, embrittlement, cracking, burns, abrasions, and worn spots. Also inspect the surface of the shroud's thermal lining. Reflectivity of the aluminized surface is a major factor in heat protection. If the reflective quality is dull, or if the aluminized surface is abraded or cracked to the degree where the bare fabric is exposed, the aluminized outer shell should be repaired or replaced. Document any damage you have discovered on your inspection form. Do not return the cover or shroud to service until it has been repaired. If the advanced inspection was satisfactory, reassemble the helmet with cover and shroud and return it to service. If it needs repair or additional testing, send it either to an ISP or manufacturer.